To load a file for printing on your T9 handheld printer, if the file is already selected, just click the print button or the start button, and that will activate the print. If you need to choose a different file, start by selecting the file name, in this case default, and that will take you into the message selection menu. In this panel you will have the available message names. Select it, it will highlight and then give you a print preview in this panel here. If you wish to create a new file, you can click on New, or if you have the file selected and you need to make some changes to it, you can just click Edit, and that will allow you to edit that file. If you no longer need that file, you can click on Delete, and that will delete the selected file. And if you click on Download, that will open up the download menu where you can download files from your UDisk or USB drive. Those files, when they are available, will be in this panel here. You will select the file and then copy to local to move it from the printer. Or if you need to move a file from the printer to the USB drive, select the file and then click copy to UDisk. Any of the files on either the UDisk or the local drive you can delete from this menu. If you happen to insert or remove a USB drive, you can click on the refresh button and that will update the message list.